Let's do a lung pulse while our heart rate is up. We're squeezing our pecs together. Keep squeezing and pump your elbows out and out and out and out. Very nice. Good. Pulling your rib cage together, pulling your belly to spine. Feeling all of this tissue in your pec nice and firm, active, working, engaged. You're moving through some thick energy, thick chocolate pudding, liquid, mud. What do you want to imagine? Let that imagination run free. Oof. I'm sure you have some good ones out there that I want to know later. Last 3 and 2 and 1. Let your elbows crisscross applesauce over. Right arm I've got on top. Both forearms are plugging, and you're going to lift your elbows up to the sky. And then exhale, close yourself down, curl your belly back, coming into a C curve in your spine. Let your eyes get wide. Elbows come up, plug down with the feet, either way, if you're standing or sitting. Good, and curling in. Working your torso here, feeling free to go freestyle any direction. The whole time you're feeling like you're moving through thick liquid. Ooh la la. Very well done. Whew. Last 2 breaths. Good, and then come down into your C curve and take a little wag. You can have gentle activation between your forearms, and it's like your elbows turn into a little tail and you're wagging like a doggy. Dig-a-did doggy. Okay, come on up. Very nice. Hands behind you.